Hey folks, I just got back from a 9-day road trip from San Francisco to Boston and back. It was great, but while I was gone, the first heat wave of the season hit the San Francisco Bay Area. So temperatures from 98 through past 100 degrees over the course of 3 days, almost 4 days. Let's see how the garden did. First, let's talk about flowers because the garden exploded with beautiful blooms while I was gone. Sunflowers right behind me. Ooh, these need to be staked up. They're falling down, but lots and lots of pretty blooms. There we go. And look at the coreopsis, folks. There wasn't a single bloom when I left, and now there's a million. Ooh, Shasta daisies. Yes, they had started blooming, but not so many. Look how many blooms there are. So excited that my snapdragons are blooming. Isn't that the prettiest color? And look, my foxglove decided to bloom. Aren't they supposed to do that only in the second year, though? This is blooming in its first year. And hollyhocks. Look how tall. Yarrow. Are you my favorite flower? And native asters. Look, it matches my shirt. The leeks are all blooming too. Look, they kind of match my shirt as well. Look at this one. It's almost as big as my head and taller than me. The nasturtiums are on their way out. The heat was just too much for them. Chamomile. Haven't harvested them for so many days. Got to do something about this or they're going to stop blooming. Straw flowers. Aren't you the show off? Okay, it's starting to get quite hot. I've got so much work to do in the garden. I'm gonna have to show you the veggies later, but these scabiosas, some serious deadheading needs to happen or these things are gonna stop producing blooms. So I gotta get to it. Talk to you all later.